Okay, as we can see, this is the end product. It's in right here. Those are 2 bolts. Then you got your 2 bolts right here. Simply pull that out the way. All right, this one is very simple. Put it back on. Put the panel back on. Goes around like this. Around through. That's it. Snap it in. It's in. That's it. Then on this side, simply gonna come over here. This is the one with the Phillips head I told you about right here. See the Phillips head? But that's it. Put it on like this. Over. Snaps in. Snaps in. That's it. Open. Pops up. That's it. Locks in place. Open. And your armrest is in. Gas Pedal TV. Like and subscribe.